There are many ways to make money online, but not all of them appear to be effective. That's fine. Maybe you're just off track and haven't figured out how to do it properly. But don't worry, you've come to the right place. This channel was designed with the goal of teaching you how to earn hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars passively. What you're about to witness could have a financial ramification for you. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. In this video, I'll show you how we make use the website creativelive.com to generate passive income ranging from $100 to $1,000. If you're curious, Creative Live is a company that offers a variety of classes and training. If I go to the classes section right here, I can see that there are a variety of classes available, including business photography and Adobe cameras, both of which go under the category of art and design. On this website, customers can purchase a range of lessons, including drawing classes, branding design, and more. Don't get me wrong, this is a completely free solution that involves no financial commitment, but in general, what we'll do is bring others to our website and promote it as a place to buy and sell various courses offered by various experienced teachers. This is a really legitimate chance with a website that might help a lot of people. It's a win-win situation, since you can make a lot of money online by recommending others to all of the specialized classes, and people can have a lot of fun while learning a lot on this website. So, once you've arrived to this website's homepage, scroll down to the very bottom right and look for the category Join Us and become an affiliate. Then I want you to go to this website and click on this link to learn more about the affiliate program and how you can make money by connecting your audience to better content. There are numerous reasons to like and appreciate creativelive.com. One of them is that they provide you a massive 30% income share, which is a lot of money in the online world, and they offer a wide variety of programs and courses that you could be interested in. The second reason I enjoy the affiliate program is that after you sign up for a free account with their affiliate network, your affiliate link will be tracked for 30 days. You can start earning commissions by obtaining your own unique affiliate links and advertising them. In addition to the first 30%, you can collect money on all purchases made by your referred client within 30 days of the first click. So let's suppose you're selling this program right here, such as Foundations of Photography, and the pricing is actually $30. You can then profit 30% of the first $30, which is your initial front-end commission. Furthermore, you may still be compensated. If your recommended consumer purchased this course, Adobe Photoshop, or other courses in the music and audio category, or any other courses within 30 days. After enjoying and learning a lot from the quality of the training, many clients return to our website and make more purchases. They are now offering a significant discount, which you can see here. You can only get 50% of the Creator Pass today because it's a New Year's savings, limited time deal. So, right now is the greatest time to promote various courses on creativelive.com because they are offering a significant discount. Keep watching because near the end of the video, I'll teach you how to obtain free traffic by getting free visitors to click on your affiliate links, resulting in a large number of people purchasing these courses through your link, and you'll be the one making a lot of money. So keep your eyes open and your focus on the task at hand. I have some fantastic news to share with you right now. This website is offering a global opportunity. As a result, anyone from anywhere in the world can take part. To join the affiliate program, all you have to do is click the sign up button, which is entirely free. From there, scroll down to learn more about the affiliate program, which is essentially a 30% commission on the front end with a 30-day tracking cookie. You can just fill in your username, password, and country when you reach to the bottom of this page, then type in your password and continue to complete your registration. Before we go any further, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video thus far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's actually very simple and takes less than 5 minutes to complete. So without further ado, let me show you some of the possible ratios on this website. When you click on Courses and then All Classes, you'll be taken to this page. where you can see that there are a total of 2,000 classes from which you can send free traffic to a specific online class. This is where the next problem arises. But the best part is that you can actually send them to some free training and free courses and classes on this website. If your customers or traffic users enjoy the free training, many of them will go on to purchase all of these online programs because they are on sale, and many people will love them and purchase them, allowing you to earn a commission right away. For example, if I go to this page and click on Fundamentals of Photography, I can watch a video, see the real price, review all the details, including the pricing structure, and read a lot of customer comments. Another popular category is Adobe Photoshop, which has a significant number of consumers ready to receive these courses right away and begin learning about photo editing. So now I'm going to teach you a variety of free traffic strategies for getting visitors to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. Twitter is becoming a very effective way to attract free visitors and make a lot of money. To get started, simply go to twitter.com and create a free account. Now, Twitter works similarly to social media in that a lot of people come here to ask a lot of questions, and they can get a lot of focused traffic from individuals who want to learn Adobe Photoshop. For example, if you go there and type in the keyword "how to use Adobe Photoshop" and then click on the search button down below, you'll see a lot of people asking, "How can I learn Adobe Photoshop?" as well as "How do I use Adobe Photoshop?" They're simply looking for an Adobe Photoshop training class. And guess what? They're all very focused visitors, and you don't have to spend any money to make a lot of money with this strategy. Quora, another well-known website, generates a lot of free traffic, referrals, and commissions. You may search on Quora by typing terms like "how to be more productive" into the search bar. Because creativelive.com does really provide these types of seminars. A few examples include self-improvement, entrepreneurship, photography, money, and finances. The key is to throw a large net to catch a diverse variety of fish. You might, for example, use Twitter to promote various Photoshop lessons and camera instructions. Or you could just go to Quora and look for people who are interested in financial and self-improvement topics. You may widen your horizon and reach a larger audience this way. The majority of individuals are interested in graphics and design. Therefore, you can easily persuade them to enroll in various classes. In the art and design sector, you may also display your graphic design, logo design, and other work, and the earning potential ratio is limitless. It's completely free, and you can choose from a variety of topics or classes. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.